In this video, we will talk about bad breath, sometimes also named halitosis. Welcome to my channel, postgraduate. Kindly support my channel if you like this content. In this audio-video interaction, I would like to answer few questions that comes in someone's mind regarding bad breath. We will also discuss some easy medically proven remedies to manage this condition. So let's start without any further delay. First question is, what is halitosis? Some people have an unpleasant smell from their mouth that it becomes difficult for those sitting nearby to them to breathe, but they are not aware of it. Yes, how can they be? In medical languages, it is called halitosis. And in general, we named it having a bad breath. Oh, that sounds bad as well. Bad breath can be an embarrassing problem that lowers someone's self-esteem. Now, it will come to your mind that if this condition is a normal, or it is a sign of any underlying medical conditions. The answer is yes, in some cases. So, these are different causes of bad breath. Bad breath can have many causes. 1. Poor oral hygiene. Among common causes, an important cause is to not brushing your teeth properly, due to which food particles get stuck in teeth, and their decay cause bad breath. 2. Gingivitis, which is a dental condition in which our gums get swollen due to any cause. One of them could be poor oral hygiene. 3. Having deep erosions or sores on tongue due to any cause. 4. Indigestion. One of the clinical signs of the indigestion is bad breath. 5. If someone is taking poor quality, unbalanced, spicy, westernized, high carbohydrate rich food, this type of food intake is linked with bad breath. 6. If someone has implanted an artificial teeth that acts as a foreign body for bacterial growth, that will lead to bad breath. 7. Tobacco smoking, alcohol consumption and other substance abuse etc. are also among the leading cause in men population. 8. Apart from this, some systemic diseases like diabetes, and some local infectious conditions like tonsillitis and sinusitis can also cause bad breath. 9. Similarly, when we are sleeping, the body's natural elimination of waste products continues to repair, but saliva production is reduced, which in turn activates bacterial growth and causes bad breath. While the process of sputum formation continues, while someone is awake, germs are also destroyed spontaneously in a continuous manner. Caution is here because, by the way, it will be better to get rid of this unpleasant bad breath by involving your physician, so that proper treatment can be given after the final diagnosis of the underlying cause. But, luckily here are some precautionary measures and easy remedies to avoid bad breath. So you can avoid bad breath. 1. Before going to bed and after every meal, teeth should be cleaned with a toothbrush or a mouthwash. Apart from this, cleaning of the tongue is also very important, because bacteria can also grow on the tongue. Remember, tongue discoloration indicates bacterial overgrowth. If a person gets a nasal blockage, and he or she is breathing through the mouth, then mouth become dry, as less saliva is there for teeth, the protection that could determine towards unpleasant smell from the mouth. Apart from this, bad oral hygiene can lead to gum disease, called gingivitis, which later causes bad breath. So in such condition, maintain your oral hygiene. You got that, friends? Practice some physical and breathing exercises, as these are also helpful in management of bad breath, as according to some studies. One form of such exercise could be chewing sugar-free gums. That can help to stimulate saliva production, which helps to flush out bacteria and other toxins that can cause bad breath. 3. Element sulfur is found in certain vegetables like garlic, onion, cabbage, cauliflower etc. If someone consumes these vegetables in diet, then in the process of food absorption, this sulfur gets absorbed and becomes part of the blood. When this sulfur-rich blood passes through the lungs, the dissolved sulfur is also exhaled, causing an unpleasant odor from mouth. So it would be better to use sugar-free chewing gum after such meals to reduce chance of having a bad odor from the mouth. And it is always advised to avoid such types of food if you are planning to go to some public place like masjid, as described in teachings of Hazrat Muhammad. So even Islamic teachings shows us a way for others' comfort. 4. Tobacco and smoking leads to less saliva production, which gives the opportunistic anaerobic bacteria a chance to enhance their growth, and they grow at an exceptional rate in such environment. So it is concluded that it is a best advice in such case it is best to quit smoking. 5. Certain medications used to treat some allergies, diarrhea, some neurological and muscular disorders, Like I will mention some common drugs like metronidazole that comes with commercial name Flagyl. Some ibuprofen salts can also cause dry mouth, through multiple pathways. An easy technique to cope in such condition, when you cannot avoid medications, is to brush your tongue with your teeth while brushing your teeth. You can even include tongue scraper for this purpose. A tongue scraper is a tool that helps to remove bacteria and other debris from the tongue, which can help reduce bad breath. Don't worry, the smell will go away spontaneously when these medicines will be stopped, but it is better to use a mouthwash on the doctor's advice. Using a mouthwash that contains antibacterial ingredients can help to reduce bad breath by killing bacteria in the mouth. 6. In common clods, tonsillitis, sinusitis and other upper airways infections, the linings of the throat and sinuses become inflamed, giving bacteria ample opportunity to multiply, so these germs cause bad breath. In such condition, it is recommended to gargle with salt water. Also clean the nostrils with salt mixed with tolerable lukewarm water daily. It gradually reduces the severity of sinusitis, even the bad breath will get improved. 7. The consumption of high carbohydrate diet also causes bad breath. In such condition it is recommended to drink more water and eat foods that are low in carbohydrates contents. 8. Practice dental flossing with a strong floss, to brush your teeth. Also, use any antiseptic mouthwash at least twice a day. 9. If you have any damaged, eroded or decaying teeth, get it filled, shelled, or polished as recommended and conducted by your dental surgeon, as it is a feasible therapeutic approach. 10. Avoid alcohol intake, if it is the cause in your case. It will help to improve your overall mental and physical well-being. 11. Patients with heartburn, gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, or also named acid reflux disease, may also have bad breath, so try to avoid hot spices, spicy foods, Western sweetened beverages, juices, coffee and alcohol etc. types food that aggravate the signs and symptoms of acid reflux disease. And always remember to add fiber-rich and balanced foods to your diet plan, and follow a strict diet plan. For this purpose, it is advisable to drink at least 1.5 milliliters of water on daily basis. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, and it can also help reduce bad breath. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out bacteria and other toxins that are causing bad breath. The particles that are left in the teeth by the use of sweet foods cause bacteria to grow in them and cause bad breath, so clean your teeth and tongue thoroughly after every meal. So, these are some easy self-care precautionary techniques, which you can take to avoid bad breath. You can simply practice them in your daily life to cope up with this condition. By following these home remedies, you can keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean. So, you will feel more comfortable and confident in your social and personal life. If you have any further query you can ask in comment section, or simply can contact your physician, as this video purpose is to only educate the general population. In addition to these home remedies, it is important to visit your dentist regularly for dental checkups. Regular dental visits can help to identify any underlying issues that may be causing bad breath, such as gum disease or cavities. Your dentist can also provide advice on how to provide best care for your teeth and gums to prevent bad breath. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.